I'm Jen Saxton, the founder and CEO of Tot Squad, and I'm so excited today to be sharing with you the new Maxi-Cosi Coral XP, which is the most innovative thing I've seen in car seats in the last decade. Check this out. They've split the outer carrier from an inner carrier. It's only 5 pounds, and it goes right over your shoulder so you can carry baby. Some of the other great features of this car seat are that they actually have this beautiful new fabric that is both machine washable and dryable. So if your baby has an exploding diaper in it like mine always did, you can easily get it clean. And they're free of flame retardants, no harmful chemicals in the seat fabric. The infant insert is good up to 8 pounds and it can be easily removed with one hand. I'm also really excited about how intuitive they had made the design for the car seat base. Everything in orange is how you install the car seat with the latch system, and everything in blue is how you install with a seatbelt. It's so easy, anybody can figure it out. When you're installing this car seat with latch, it is so easy. You don't have to be really strong. You could probably even do this when you're 9 months pregnant trying to crawl in the car. The latches, after you hook them into your car, you just close this cover and they retract right up and tighten in your car. Listen to that. When you're installing this car seat, it has the added feature of a load leg, which is so easy to install in your car, and it actually reduces the rotation of the car seat in an accident. This car seat is the ultimate inconvenience. The inner carrier weighs only 5 pounds, so it's easy to carry right by your side, unlike trying to carry a super heavy car seat way out here. And what I love is that with the feature of the shoulder strap, which has kind of this bungee material in it that's adjustable for any body type, you don't have to transfer your baby out of the infant car seat into your baby wearing, because you can actually wear your baby just like this. Today I'm going to install with the latch in a captain's chair. Step 1 is to check the angle of the seat, which is really important to make sure that your infant's head is in the proper position. So if you do need to adjust the angle, there's an easy button here that'll adjust it up or down, and an indicator here that will tell you and turn green as soon as you have the correct angle. So step number 2 is to adjust it if you need to, and step number 3 is to lift this release lever. Step number 4 is going to be to hook the latch in. Great. And now this is my favorite part. Look at how easy this is going to be. Step number 5 is going to be to close this release lever, and then you're going to see and hear the ratcheting that tightens the car seat base into the car. I'm just going to give it a tiny little push. And look how tight the lower anchors are now. The car seat shouldn't move more than 1 inch in any direction after it's installed, and you can actually see on the indicator right here that turned green to let me know that the car seat is installed correctly. It's really easy to take in and out. It's so convenient to just take out the inner carrier. And then you can toss it over your shoulder to carry the baby. I was compensated for this review, but I can tell you that I am genuinely enthusiastic and believe that this is one of the most innovative things I've seen in car seats in the last decade.